By now you've already signed up for Onshape. I thought we should just go through and see all the good stuff you can do with this program. You see just the model we've created here on the screen. It's moving around. Let's get you some basic knowledge behind the program now. I'm going to go to Create and I'm going to choose Document. I'm going to give it a title, and it's going to come up with a screen full of work planes. First thing I'm going to do is click Sketch over here, and then I'm going to click a plane that I want to draw in. Now, what normally happens with other CAD programs is that it will square that up for us, but what I'm going to do is go over here to the View Cube and click Front, and that squares it up. A couple of important deals. This is the origin point. So I'm going to go up here and pick a rectangle. I'm going to start on the origin and just draw a rectangle. After I draw that, I can immediately dimension. I'll say that would be 3. And once I click or press enter, I can choose the other one. Okay, if I hold my right mouse button down, and it'll allow me to rotate. I can also go over here and select different views. From here, I'm going to click the green check mark. That will finish, and you notice the menu at the top is now changed. Here I'm going to choose Extrude. I'll click the shape itself, and then I'll decide how big do I want that to be. Once I click the green check mark, there it is. So now I can hold my right mouse button down and move it around. To pan, if you have a center wheel button, you can click it in and move this around the screen. I can re-rotate it. I can also right click over here anywhere on the screen and say isometric view. Let's say I get in too close, I can right click again and say zoom to fit. If I don't want to look at all these work planes, they get in my way sometimes, I'll go over here to the browser bar and I'll check the eyeball here and it'll hide those. They're still there, but they're just hidden. So if I need those again, I could come over here and click on the eyeball again and have it going.